To add support to the arm, you will first need to add these pins to these support rings, either here or here. You have quite a bit of options where to mount it, and that depends on the position of this camera arm. So let's go from here. No. So you screw these pins in here. You will need these micro clamps to attach the rods to the arm. Make sure to pull on the arm before you lock it in to get some tension. Then you do the same thing to the other side. And pull on the rod to get tension. When you use one cheese plate, you would come from the back all the way to the arm. Make sure to pull on the rod to get some tension, and then you do the same thing on the other side. And pull on the rod to get tension.